No, I have no idea why there's no audio. I have no idea why that intro didn't play audio. What's up, y'all? I have no clue. Don't ask me. I'm lost on it too. Let me fix my camera right fast. Bam. What's up, everybody? Good to see you. Glad you're here. Man, do we got some shit to talk about tonight. All right. So, let's start off by giving everybody a memento to get in here. Once everybody's in here, once everybody's good, we will get to rocking and rolling. We got to talk about a lot of shit tonight. Some haters, some lovers, some charts, some nodes, and what taking profits means. And I hope everybody's ready because I'm going to piss some people off tonight. All right. Nope, I can't. I don't know why the audio didn't work. This TV screen in front of me was playing rather than the freaking thing. I don't know. I have to go through my settings again. You would think like I was just on a Zoom. It worked perfectly fine. I don't know. Anyway, if you would please go click a like. We need likes, y'all. If you're at it right there on the like screen, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. A lot of you guys aren't subscribers, and you should be. All right, hit the notification bell so when this stream happens, stuff pops right up for you and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay. I'm gonna get me some whiskey. Hold on. And not only am I gonna get me some whiskey, but we're gonna pour it up here. What am I gonna have? Let's go back with the Hercules Mulligan. I like the Hercules Mulligan pretty good. Boom. All right. Pour us a drink here. Ticket, 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 ticket. Bam. And then we'll see who all's in here and we'll get started, all right? I know you're not really starting at 11. Bullshit, I was exactly on time. Oh, that looks good. Look at Angel Ponce, the real node god. That's not me, yo. I'm not the real node god. Tony fucking Ruiz is the real node god. I'm just a simp. All right. Ooh, that sounds good, doesn't it? Let's get it started off right, folks. Oh, man, that's good. Let's go. All right. Who all's in here? Brian W., what's good, my friend? He wants to see an OM chart. Got you, fam. Beverly Moody, what's up, Miss Beverly? One of the queens. Isham, good to see you. Angel Ponce, good to see you, brother. Ron Poteet, Juan Macedo, what's up, Cuzzo Jeremy? Mike Ralph, Leadhead, what's up, my friend? What's poppin'? Ignacio Cervantes. I'm going to say it like that every time because it feels good to say that. What's up, Pops? Crypto Boss Andrew, what's up, my friend? Good to see you, dude. Chris Gatus, 4 a.m. in the UK. Represent, my friend. Ali, he's smiling right now. Emmanuel, what's up, dude? Jeff Frady, Dan McKenna, Pop. What's up, Frank? Ashley Vandermeer, good to see you. Nick Aurelio, what's up, my friend? Kevin Gastelum. That's not the real Kevin Gastelum, but what's up? Jude, good to see you, my friend. What's up, Danny? The other Danny. Danny Deep Pockets, what's up, my friend? Look at there's the real no God, Tony F. and Ruiz. Yvonne, Queen number 2, what's good, Miss Queen? What's up, Triple A? Good to see you, brother. Mark D. Oh, and Hill with the 5 bones. Tony, the real no God. Can I get a wrench? Well, sure, you can get a wrench. And there we go. What's up, Justin? Good to see you, my friend. Heard y'all made a good lick on a house down there in in Arizona. That's for you, Angel. Ooh. That'll make your head spin real quick. All right, let's get into some stuff real quick, shall we? Justin S., good to see you, brother. I'm going to try to say this name. Tanvir Khan, what's up? Good to see you, brother. NASDAQ, what's up? Me, what's up, you, brother? How you doing? So, I want to start off the stream with ZEC right here, and then we'll work into some things, okay? So, what we saw with ZEC right here, we've been expecting this for a while. It took a really long time to play out, but we had it work. All right, we had our trend up break. We fell down really fast, and we hit this triple bottom. Beautiful. After this triple bottom, we had a 786 retrace. Managed to scoop this on the 786 retrace. After the 786 retrace, we've started up since then. Now we've finally broken the key level of 0.5. What is 0.5? That's the 50 fib right here. Now that we've broken the 50 fib, I feel very much more confident that this thing's going to keep going up more. Holy shit, Tony Ruiz, bro. 100 bones. Call me the GOAT, D-O-G-G. What y'all don't know is Tony Ruiz just scooped a badass Snoop Dogg NFT on an NFT drop. And I don't know how much he's going to sell it for, but he's going to make a lick. Tony Ruiz, you're a renowned brother. You're renowned. Whew, and the Tar Heels won tonight. Whew. All right, so like I said, we broke this 50 fib, and we broke this on a higher time frame. Now that we've broken this, I want to see it to get my original buy of 235, which was an epic fail, and I lost money on. I got stopped out way back. I want to see it hit that line just for my mental. And after that, I think we move up toward the 786, 886 line, which is roughly $281 or $328 in that zone there. Pivots are in the way, absolutely, but right between R1 and R2 right now. And the more this fluctuates back and forth, that's fine with me as well. Because again, we're over the 50 line, and I like to see that. I want to see it hold this now. The longer it holds, the better. The more opportunity this price has to move up from here. Good stuff. And the reason I bring this up is because a lot of charts look just like this one. Okay, you're going to see a lot with the same similar price action where it's triple bottom, a retrace, and from there we've broken north. Okay, and that's what's happening across the board. You're going to see Litecoin, ZC, and many, many others that all look the same. Okay, let me get my notepad out here because I want to write a lot of this stuff down. All right, got all this stuff wrote down from last stream, all my pluses and minuses, so I can go back and even double check myself. NASDAQ. Thank you, my brother. Smooth. By the way, anyone who donates on here, I don't keep the money. All the money that gets donated here is then given away. Okay? We're going to have a badass giveaway in December. It's fixing to be big. All right? We gave away a strong node last time. Before that, we gave away $1,200 worth of stuff. We funded a family in Cambodia for 6 months. All right, we gave someone else, an NFT maker, $600 to invest in gas fees with to print her NFTs. And then after that, before that, we gave away $250 to a chick named Daniela worth of XRP. And that has since then quadrupled or almost let's see, it was 25 cents, it's $2. So that's 9x since then. Pretty good, right? And that's all she had to do was show up. All right, she never even said another word after that. And the guy who won the strong node literally never said another word other than thank you, which is a bit crazy, but whatever. You think people who would win something like that would be a little bit more grateful. However, I don't really care about that. I did my part. Okay, you did your part. Now, I'm going to move on from the CEC chart because this one looks very similar to a lot, and I bet you a lot of what we'll see tonight looks like this. Okay, you're going to see a lot of it. Same similar price action where it broke north, got over support, and it's sitting there. And this may take a day or 3 to play out. It's okay. I'm willing to wait on it. Write down what you guys asked for. I already seen OM. We're going to do all the node charts. No big deal. What's up, Chi-Town? Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you, brother. I don't see the other Jeremy on there, Frank. I don't see the other Jeremy on there, Jeremy. There were some coins mentioned up here. I'll get to those right here in a moment. Let me find out once we're talking. I think Soul was on there. I like to try to find these because you guys ask, and I want to try to ADA and Link. ADA and Link. ADA had a great day yesterday. I'm going to sell my silver NFT when I get to the 10 ETH. Whoo, boy. Well, I hope it gets there. I got a feeling it will, but that's crazy to think of, isn't it? BTT, Uni, RSR, SNX. Got you. Good day, everyone. What's up, Roof Repair Melbourne? Ain't seen you in a minute, bro. Good to see you, dude. What's up, Lou? Hey, Miss Beverly again. LGCY, XDC. People still buy XDC? Gosh. 786 Assassins own both a Snoop Dogg and a Tupac Goat Society goat. How cool is that? Papa Nick won the Tupac NFT, which is really dope, dudes. We have a Tupac and Snoop in the same one. I want to know who won the biggie one. And I think one of us got Nas as well, but I can't be for sure. Some of them are kind of confusing to see what they are. HTR, we can handle HTR, no problem. CRX and Klama. If I can find a chart for Klama that looks good. Audio, yes sir, Jeremy. All right. ORAI, and QRDO. Hey, what's up, Ken? Electric motherfucking Ken. All right, let's start with OM, and then we'll go through our node coin. You know what? We got PAC up here. Let's start with PAC first. All right, PAC is still flirting with the 786, 886 big time frame zone here. Still playing around with it. As long as it can stay in here, it's okay. It's fiddling around right now, thinking about falling under. Our indicators are back into bullish divergence. We have a price dropping, but our indicators are coming up. I think PAC starts to rebound from here. Yes, I think PAC starts to rebound from here. So where could it go? Well, the first indication is going to be back to 886 at 008, almost 1 cent, but not quite. Yeah, even 1 cent after this would be a very good barrier. So I like 0.08 to 1 cent for PAC here. There's your quick short-term prediction. How about OM real quick? Do that one. All right, we're still in this wedge, still failing, making lower highs and higher lows, but not a higher high. We need a higher high in here somewhere. We haven't gotten that yet. We have a high here, and we have our low, and we have another high, but it's lower, okay? Then we have our higher low, but then we get lower high, and then we get a lower low here, not great. We have another lower high, not great. We're continuing to fail here and fail and fail and fail and fail. Now, just like I said, well, let's do this. Let's remove them that way so I don't lose my fib that I already have drawn there. Just like I showed you on the PAC chart, we do have a 786, 886 zone here, and we're holding that now. If we can continue to hold that, which is roughly 900 bones, we can continue to hold 900. Man, I have one of these damn little tags under my shirt. And that bastard is itching the hell out of me. I gotta get this out real quick. Damn it. One of them little shirt tags, you know what I'm talking about? It's itching the crap out of my arm. I was wondering what that freaking feeling was. I think I got it. All right, sweet. All right, so again, we can hold this $900 range right here. I think we'll be okay. If we drop under this $900 range, then we're looking more towards 650. But honestly, it could even hold up there around 800 first. 650 would be really, 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 really low. And I don't think that's going to happen again. Maybe a wick, but not holding. We do have support right here at, about 800, 850. So anywhere in this range is okay. Hypothetically, right now, we're holding up here, and I don't think we're going to fall yet. So right now, even though it's in a downtrend, it's short term. We're building a pennant. This could be a big cup and handle, but we need to see where this lands out first, all right? Right now, it's still trending down. Hold 900, one thing at a time, okay? How does strong look? Well, let's look. All right. Well, so far we're playing out as planned. We had our run down. We've come up and we've almost failed the pivot, but we didn't even really make it to the pivot. We stopped just short of it at the 821 EMA. We never even broke the 821 EMA again yet. So indicators are starting to sweep. Can they hold right here? We're going to find out. If we look back in history a bit here on our MACD, we've been in bullish trading all the way back since June. All right. Never dipped below the midline here on the MACD. Let's see if we can hold this midline again. I mean the orange line, not the blue. As you see here, see what I'm talking about. All the way back in June, we crossed over. This orange line crossed over the midline and hasn't dipped back down since. We've done nothing but go up and up and up. Let's see if this orange line can stay over this midline. And as you see, we're not even close to it right now. We're nowhere near close to it. So that leads me to believe we're going to continue pulling down or sideways for a while. Hence why I'm able to come up with these predictions, all right? I feel like this is going to drive right really slowly, maybe double or triple bottom before we can try to get out of here, all right? Hasn't happened yet. One thing at a time, okay? This could go sooner than that. I'll admit that my timing is not the greatest, okay? Honestly, my timing is not the greatest. Only 47 2POCs out of 10,000. Exactly, Nick. That's why it already needs to be listed on OpenSea for 20 ETH. List it, Nick. List that 2POC NFT, Nick. There you go. I am not charting CumRocket. That is so stupid. All right. RSI wise, we've dipped below 50, and now we're going to range back between 50 and 40, I think, sideways here, back and forth. We're not under 40 yet. We're over it. As a matter of fact, we bounced off of it one time already. So, stuck in there in that range. Till we can get out of that range, nothing much is going to happen here. I think this is sideways at worst. Again, floor still around 650. Still around 650. LGB. Got you. VRA, we can do that one. MNW. Algo, sure, we can do Algo. I think they had a pretty good day the other day. Yeah, Climbers on CoinTrader. Yeah, but the chart's a little odd, dude. XRP, XDC, XLM. You want all the X coins. All right. Fair enough. We are not charting squid, bro. All right. There's my strong prediction. Let's do Presearch now. Presearch has a lot of good things going right now. Again, we know that doesn't make a shit. What we care about is the chart. However, they announced today that all operators who have a dashboard running with nodes on it will be getting an NFT. And that's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I'm pretty happy about that. So we'll see what that NFT is worth. No idea yet, but we'll find out. Presearch driving sideways just like strong. All right. I imagine this continues to file down here. Our pivots are getting tighter as we go along. All right. That's a good sign of consolidation, that pressure's building. If we can hold the 21 to 27 range right here, we'll be perfectly fine. This is the range between 1272 and 1414 here. We have S1 at roughly 21 cents as well, which makes me think we're going to hold this range. We're going to bounce back and forth. I've got no problem with that as long as this continues to hold in this range. Everything's sweeping sideways and consolidating. We put our Bollinger Bands on it. We can see the Bollinger Bands are starting to tighten up. But on the weekly, they are very much not tight. In fact, they're extremely wide. And I believe this needs to consolidate a little longer to let these Bollinger Bands catch up. The MACD is trying its best to fall over on its face here. We don't want to see that right there. We want to see that MACD come back up and do more. But it doesn't look the best on the weekly. Again, kind of feel like we're going to range sideways on Presearch here, okay? We have not got a confirmed buy yet. We got an 820, we got an 8 buy, but then immediately flipped back over into a sell and never got an 821 cross up. We never got that. We never got that green crossing through the purple. All right. That's Presearch. Let's do Mysterium. And we're still trending up on Mysterium. It's pretty good. Put a fib on it here. We'll see that we still got some more to go, I believe. Still doing its thing. I still like $1.25 here, and at least $1 or 96 cents right now. We've already touched $1 once, so let's say at least $1.25. How about that? Like that. I like that better. And from there, I mean, we could go all the way to $2. I believe that's in the cards eventually. I haven't gotten there yet. One thing at a time. Okay. This looks to be going to a similar look as Flux. Flux, you mentioned. All right. Well, let's look at Flux. Boy. You want to talk about some salty motherfuckers, bro. Ooh. Dude. So, as we know, I've got a setup video on Flux nodes, right? I have a couple Flux nodes myself. So, I announced on Twitter, you know, hey man, look, Flux did amazing. Shot way up. I took profits. I was happy about it too, dude. I was like, I'm going to flip these profits. I'm going to find something else to buy. I'm going to flip these profits and I'm going to make more money on top of this. So what did I do? I'm going to get to it, Kevin. I haven't got to it yet. I just do these node charts first, get them out of the way. So I took my profits. Said, hey man, I'm going to flip them. Boy, the Flux people got pissed. They got pissed, dude. I was like, yo, what is the big deal? And they were so salty. And I said, hey man, I'm actually going to flip this into a strong gold NFT. Why? Because they were on the brink of selling out. Okay. They have utility in the fact that I can paste it. I mean, I can stake it to a node and make some profit. Plus, I can just flip the NFT for cash later. Okay. Which was my whole plan to begin with. Boy, when I bought an NFT and people were started their bullshit, oh, you just bought a stupid GIF. You paid that much for a GIF, blah, blah, blah. You know what? It felt wild that I spent that much, not going to lie. However, dude, I made money off of it. What are you talking about? It was profits, dude. It was profits. It was profits. Why are you so salty about people taking profits? Do you not understand you're not making money unless you take profits? Just running a node doesn't make you shit. Whether that be a strong node, a Mysterium node, a Flux node, a PAC node, a pre-node, a Gala node, doesn't matter. You didn't make shit unless you took profits. Do you not understand that? Do any of you not understand that? If you don't take profits, you don't make anything. Okay? Get it? So at some point, you've got to follow rule number 4, which is take profits. If you don't like that, please go watch someone else, dude. I'm not Kevin Cage. I'm not Owlboy. I'm not Digital Asset Investor. I'm not Alex Krob. I'm not going to get up here and bullshit you, okay? I'm not going to do that. I don't do hype. I take profits when I can. I'm here to make money. I'm here to make more money than I had the day before and more money than I had the day before that, okay? It's not very complicated. I like my Flux nodes. In fact, they made me a ton of money, okay? They made me a ton of money. Couldn't be more tickled about it, okay? I'm going to take profits. That's the way this game works. If you don't like it, please go watch somebody else. I'm not here to be your friend. Yes, I'm making friends along the way. That's what Facebook's for, to make friends, okay? And argue. So, Flux went way beyond where I thought it would. This wick right here is not on other charts. So it's really hard to use this one. So I'm trying not to use that. As a matter of fact, if I go to CoinTrader and I do Flux, that wick does not exist. Okay. As you see, it's not here. If I try to pull a big fib on this, I don't really get the best results ever, but I'll try it anyway. Okay. Throw this one away and start a new one. There you go. All right, so I had take profits at $1.20. It shot right on past that, all the way to $2 even, and bounced on top of the take profit line. It looks like a blow off top to me. All the indicators are super maxed. If you think this is going to $10 overnight, you are being laughed at by me. Okay? Simple as that. Simple as that. I can't do anything but laugh at you if you think this is going to $10 overnight. You need to grow up and you need to get out of crypto because you don't know what you're doing. And that hurts your feelings, and I'm not really here for your feelings either. I'm here to make money. What's up, Digital Dingo? I said, what the fuck, Keith? I thought you wanted to be my mate. You stupid dude. Again, I make friends along the way, but I'm not here to make friends, all right? I'm here to make money. Rule number 1, no emotions. What did Frank say? Rule number 2, refer to rule number 1. Rule number 3, take fucking profits. Oh, fair enough, bro. All right, so that's Flux. I think we're going to pull back from here, honestly. We're overbought on everything. I expect to pull back to $1.20 for it to hover for a bit here and build some more pressure because it went way too far, way too fast, okay? Rule number 1 is don't talk about Fight Club. Hey, what's up, Cody Arnsby? Good to see you, brother. Oh, God voice incoming. You made money if you took profits. There you go, bro. All right, so let's move on to this one. Let's do Gala. Then we'll get into our regular charts, all right? Gala, again, cruising along sideways here, a lot like what I told you Prenode was doing here. Not really much to talk about. Continues to fail breaking this trend line up here. Hasn't broken it. Needs to break it. When it breaks it, good. Till then, we wait. MACD kind of starting to roll over here and move sideways. RSI's dead flat sideways. More sideways incoming for Gala. Sorry. Almost 10 cent a coin. Right now it's about 9 cents. Be nice if it was 10. I managed to sell some of my profits up here and flip them. Pretty tickled about that. I've flipped profits a couple times now on these. Miss Beverly said they can flux off. Late entry, Ellie, Lou D-O-double-G. Good to see you, brother. All right, so now let's get into our regular charts. Let's start off with Sol. I got Sol. I'm super bad. All right. Sol off like a rocket. So we can figure out how far this is going to go. So you're just now starting to roll over on Sol here. MACD's gotten high. RSI went overbought. Everything is still trending up though, okay? So this is one of these tricky ones. If you look here, this RSI still going, okay? Still going. And it could go more here. Goodness, let's pull a fib on this one, shall we? It broke the trend and took off after we broke the trend. Very nice. It was very, very clean. We hit one take profit line at 265. If this can hold the 21 EMA, we can make a run at 291. All right. We need to hold 222. Hold 222. We can make a run back up to toward 300. Got to hold 222 first. This is currently flirting with the wait a minute zone. ADA has flipped into a buy. However, caution here because we bounced off the 50 on the bottom. I don't like seeing that, okay? That is not the greatest look for me. I need to see this get over 240. All right. Yes, our indicators are pointing up. That's fine. If you want to stay in this a little bit, that's fine too, because we recently, we recently got this buy signal. All right. This was only yesterday that we got a confirmed buy on ADA. Now, got this red candle coming, and like I said, we bounced off the 50 fib right here. I want to get over this. Once we get over this 50 fib, we open up to $2.50 to $3, and then we even have $4 in the charts here. However, first things first, we got to break and hold 240. All right, that comes first. It is technically a buy with long confirmation, but again, over 240, lock it in. Link. I've been listening to Wu-Tang all day, and I got, yeah, baby, I like your roll, stuck in my head. I can't stop singing it. It's repeating in my head right now. All right, Link, you've broken through the 50 fib. You've broken through the trend line. I like everything about this chart. MACD is trending up. RSI is trending up. You got fibs that are pretty much lined up with the previous one, so it's just a continuation. There's nothing I don't see that says this thing can't go to 40 bucks. Yeah, I would actually say 40 bucks is a good target. Yeah, I like Link right here. BTT. Yes, it could pull back a little bit, but it wouldn't be a huge pullback because it's got support. BitTorrent, recent buy. Consolidating, building pressure. I bet you this recently broke this trend line. Looks like it. Yeah, look at that. Recent trend line break. All right. Very good. I like BTT here. Whomever brought it up, this is a good looking chart. The prospects are a little bit short narrowed. I can't really tell exactly where maybe 0.006, maybe. It's hard to say because there's only one spot of resistance on this chart. I really need to see some more price action, but it is a buy. Uniswap. All right. So, trend line here. Yep. Need to break the trend line first. It's right there at it. I get it. You want to hurry up and buy this one. It is technically a buy. All the indicators are dead flat. This thing could continue to go sideways, but it is in a wedge. So I do like this buy on Uniswap. RSR. Yeah, baby, I like your roll. Still in my head, dude. I hope y'all took profits on LRC. I did. Maybe too soon, but I got a zone and took profits. Loop ring went crazy, didn't it? Phil looks good. I got Phil on the list right here, brother. I already did twice. Can still have 30% left. Can you please take a look at Seek? We can look at it. All right. Up next is RSR. And like I said, roughly the 50 fib right here is where we're under. We had this same look as, like I said, on ZC. This one looks dead accurate to it. Triple bottom. We had a retrace, and now we're going up. I like this one, 005. And if it can break 005, 008 for RSR. Same as ZC and Litecoin. SNX. I have nothing to tell me that that won't do the same thing, okay? Now, SNX is a little bit different. This one's stuck under 382. It's a recent buy, but it's consolidating and boiling. Same thing on the weekly. You know what? This is not a buy yet. It's not a long. It is a buy, but it's not a long, okay? We need to get up past $10 and let me narrow in here. We need to get up past $11.50. Break 11.50, and I think we're going to move toward 13. But we got to break 11.50 first. It's still under trend. It has not broken the trend yet for our SNX, but it is a buy, so it's like a 50-50 play here, okay? Legacy. I bet that's not on. There it is. It's just wrapped to ETH, though. I don't want to do that. I want to do a regular one. LGCY. All right. Looks like we got a lower high and no confirmed go signal yet. Yeah, matter of fact, this is about to be a sell on Legacy, so that's a no. XDC. Zenfin is still a sell, no. HTR. Hathor. Nope, sale on Hathor. Whoever brought those three up, wrong. ZRX. USD. By the way, why do I say that's a sale? Because that's two closes under the 21 EMA, and the 821 is about to cross down, and you've already went up pretty far. It's trying to pull back. MACD's rolling over. RSI's pointing down. There's nothing telling me to buy this chart right now, other than maybe a fib retracement. But I still don't like the fact that it hasn't broken trend, so that would be a no also. That is an example. Same thing goes for XDC and Legacy there. Now, ZRX, recent buy. I don't like all these tall wicks on the top. That's a little disheartening to me. It kind of makes me think it's going to go sideways. However, we do got that same triple bottom. I'm inclined to believe it at least tries to get up here toward $1.75 again. But no guarantees. It is technically a buy right now. Klama. I don't think that's the right chart. There we go. That looks like the right one. This is not a buy right now. If this is the correct chart for Klama, which I think it is, $2,005. Let's look it up on CoinGecko, shall we? Real quick, just to make sure. Yep, Klama down. 1944. Yeah, it's the same chart. This is not a buy. This is actually a sale. It actually is going to continue to go down more a little bit, in my opinion here. Did have a good hammer candle on the bottom. How far did we pull back? Well, we pulled back to the 618. We're still over the 50. If it can hold here above 1890, we have a chance to reverse. I would not get in this until it got over the 821. This is not a play that I'm in. I am not in Klama, and it's not a buy on the daily. Fair enough. Sherry Andrews, what's up? She said she sent me an email. I don't read my emails. Hang on. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, I'll have to look and see. I don't see where you sent me an email. A lot of people send me emails. Let me Google your name. Oh, you're talking about the HBAR node. Well, we don't have a whole lot of details on the HBAR node, and they haven't released some of the stuff that we need to know that's important. So once we get those details, I'll know more, but not until we get those. That's why we haven't talked about it yet. Okay? We can look up the chart for HBAR, absolutely. I'm sorry, I get like 300 emails a day. I'm going to have to get an assistant to read my emails. That's crazy, isn't it? Yeah, I know it's crazy. Whatever. Audio coin. Audio USD. I'm going to blame Jeremy for getting Wu-Tang stuck in my head. It's your fault, Jeremy. Audio is still a buy. Needs to break this trend. Same situation right here, okay? Well, I guess technically it has. You know what? It's a tough call here. What about the weekly? What are we doing? We got an inverse head and shoulders at the top. Man, it's a tough call. It's technically a buy everywhere, though. Even though it's in a little bit of a danger zone, it's a buy everywhere. So buy with caution here. Again, I'd set my stop loss under the 21 EMA and be careful. But technically not a sell. Technically a buy. ORAI. Let me see if I can find these crazy shit coins here. ORAI. Orachain. No on Orachain. It is not a buy. QRDO. Credo. Yes, sir. Credo looks like it's going hard north. All the indicators are pointing up on Credo. Or however you would say that. Credo, whatever. She's a go. Let's go Brandon coin. It's still going to be a no, brother. Perhaps you mean Pride coin. That one, neither. Neither one of them are worth a damn. VRA. Veracity. Is currently throwing a sell signal. All right. 2 under the 21. 821 falling downward. All your indicators are pointing down. I like this to at least 0.05 before something else happens, but it's a sell right now. MNW. Morpheus. Morpheus is a sale. It's a confirmed sale. No, thank you. 2 under the 21 plus an 821 downward cross. All indicators pointing down. Algorand. Algorand recently broke trend and then went right back up under it. It's playing peekaboo with you. It's doing the Backstreet Boys quit playing games with my heart. Well, it's doing it. KDA, it got you. We already did VRA. CVC. All right. Time. Yeah, we'll do Wonderland. Polymath. We haven't done that one in a minute. Polymath. HNT. Okay, let's see if we can get to all these. Algorand, like I said, playing peekaboo. Still technically a buy. Still doing its thing. I still like this one to go to at least 240 here. 235. At least 235. And make some magic here. Hasn't done it yet. Still waiting and being patient. I think it's going to go, though. XRP. XRP is still a buy. It's just retracing. Trend looks like it's just about broken, but not quite. It's right on the edge. Again, we needed to get up over this trend line here. What trend line am I referring to? I shall show you. All right. Somewhere around in there is a trend line that it hasn't broken yet. Get up over it, okay? So close, yet so far. Break this trend, then we can move forward more. We already hit our 130 target that I thought it would hit. I put that on Twitter, pissed a bunch of people off. But you know what? I'm here to make people mad sometimes, and that's just the way it is. I'm not trying to make you mad. But if technical analysis makes you mad, I can't help you. That's just all there is to it. XRP, still a buy technically. XDC. We already did that one, didn't we? Yeah, we already did XDC. XLM. All right, Binance. Still technically a buy. You had a double bottom, retrace, and it's got that same look that ZC and Litecoin have, where it's going to go. How far is it going to go? At least to 46 cents, and I also like 60 cents. XLM looks pretty damn good to me. Tezos. All right, short-term trend to break. Get out of Sniper's Alley. It's failing it right now. I really need to see it get over 650. After it gets over 650, 740 and 872 become targets. But one thing at a time. Right now it's trending downward. That MACD does not look great. Neither does that RSI. It can hold right here roughly $6 even. No, actually $6.10. If it does not hold 610, there's a possibility this slips all the way down to $5 again. Sorry, but that's just what I see, okay? Technically a sale right now. XMR. That's a Monero coin, which is a privacy coin. And right now, it looks like we're making that big cup and handle, doesn't it? Right on the hinge pin of breaking loose here. Very close, just hasn't happened quite yet. It's continuing to drive sideways like Algorand and some others. Although these things are pointing up, it hasn't went yet. Technically a buy, but I bet you it's going to bounce back and forth for a bit, like Strong did for a while, okay? Let's watch carefully on XMR, however, it technically is a buy. IoTex. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to move through these as smoothly as I can. I'm feeling the effects of the whiskey, though. IoTex. Oh, yeah, my goodness. Look at that thing go, dude. We missed that one, didn't we? I missed it. I didn't get in that. That looks amazing. Bet you the trading volume is pretty low on this, too. And it moved really swiftly on a couple moves. Right to take profits at 290. Oh, my God, right at 30 cents. Boy, it doesn't get much more technical than that. Look how clean that was. Goodness. All the indicators topped out. Son of a bitch, I missed that. Man. IoTex is a take profit right here. Okay. Damn. Beautiful chart. Same look for file as Litecoin and Zcash. Exact same look. Break the trend and we're right at a rock. We haven't broken the trend yet, okay? Break it. Break it. All right, XBR. All right, let's scroll up here and read some answers to questions stuff first. Noon non-bombs. What's up, brother? GRT. I got you. GRT. No problem. Dash EOS VIFO. Dash EOS VIFO. You know, that's something that's not on KuCoin that lets you hold it there, but it doesn't trade. Whack. Crypto Juan 589. Love the show. Greetings from LA, brother. What's up? To live or die in LA. That's the place to be. Got to be there to know it. What everybody wants to see. Y'all don't know about that shit. Welcome, Crypto Juan, brother. MT Matt. Hadn't seen you in forever, dude. What's been up, bro? Where you been? Why you been hiding? Tundra Music Review. Hey, man. Long time no see. Moved to glad to see you're still at it, bro. I'm not going anywhere, sir. But I'm glad to see you, TMR. Good to see you, brother. When Mullet, listen, you got beat by some people today, brother. You got outran. Mullet got sprinted on. You're down in Florida, call the coroner. There's going to be a lot of slow singing and flower bringing if my burger alarm starts ringing. That's a little Biggie reference for y'all who actually understand what I'm talking about. All right. Altcoin is technically a buy. EWT, which is the end of world token. Not really. Energy Web token. Exact same setup. We are stuck under the trend here. Got to break that trend. Hasn't done it yet. Technically not a buy yet. It's right on the verge, but not a buy. Let's see if I can find this one. Yep. Seek VR. Yeah, this thing really, really took off and it's starting to pull back. No, not a buy. More so take profits than anything. Not a sale either. So be very careful with Seek right here. HBAR. All right. Yeah, HBAR has done some good things here. Really struggled to get over this trend line or this resistance line right here. But now that it's gotten over it, brother, she's free and clear to sprint to the top of the channel here, which I believe it will do. What's the top of the channel looking like? Top of the channel looks like 71 cents, 78 cents, and 91 cents. It might take a while to get there. It's got to break 50 cents first, but I bet you 50 cents gets hit before long. This chart looks really good. I really like HBAR here. KDA. I wonder how many people actually go back and watch these and say, "Man, that guy's full of shit." And he's probably wrong all the time. Well, they don't ever really talk to me about it after they do it. So, whatever. Cadena chain has been amazing. It's had this slow, steady grind up, and it's went really far, really fast, okay? I can't really zoom in or zoom out anymore. It's not a sell. It is a full-on buy. It's a full-on keep going and slowly take profits. 100% parabolic, okay? Everything's tapped out. You got to let it ride. Nothing else I can do except watch it run. Let's see if I can pull the all times here. That won't work either. I can't do that. Can't do that. It's just free and clear. Going to have to run and do its thing. I do like it to come back to $11 eventually, most likely. But it looks great right now. It's great right now. Not a sale, just at a take profit line. CVC. Yeah, baby, I like your roll. All right, CVC stuck under 786, but you do have a buy. It is over the 8 EMA, over the 21 EMA. All the indicators are pointing up. That's excellent. Just got to break Sniper's Alley right here. Once we break Sniper's Alley, you're good to go. What is Sniper's Alley? Sniper's Alley is the area between 886 and 786, plus or minus a couple percent. As you see, this box is a sniper box. More often than not, things get in there and die. As you see, stuck, died, came back down to the 8 EMA, has a chance to reverse here. If it can reverse, I like it to go to $1.22 in time, but it has to break Sniper's Alley first. Red box broken first, then we can talk. Technically, CVC is a buy on the weekly, daily as well. All right, let's do some Wonderland. I do not own any Wonderland. I will not be buying any Wonderland. Do your thing. That's not me. I don't need high interest staking. I'm perfectly fine with my de-risking plan that I have going on. I like this to 9,600 though. Even if I flip it into linear mode, I still get 94 to 9,600 no matter what. Okay, 9,600 looks like a great target for this one. One step at a time. You are over all-time high. I guarantee you this keeps going more. I don't guarantee it, but I guarantee it. I guarantee it eventually gets to 10,000. Polymath. Yeah, I haven't done that one in a while. Dragging sideways, consolidating, super tight spaces. Not a buy yet. Let's wait on this one. It looks a lot like PAC coin, okay? Let's give this a little bit of time to flip back bullish and let the Bollinger Bands catch up, which is probably what's happening here. Yeah, it's trying to catch up. A little at a time, it's catching up. It's got a long way to go yet, though, okay? This may drag ass for a while. I don't want you to be stuck in it waiting. HNT. That's helium. Clearly parabolic. It's kind of what I'm hoping Strong does. Similar setup here. It just keeps bouncing off of support and going more and more and more each time. After they had their halvening, the price has done nothing but increase. Almost like supply and demand actually works. Who'd have thunk? Supply and demand actually works. I just don't understand. So you're clearly parabolic. I like this to come back to 42 bucks though. Sorry. It's take profit right now. It is not a buy. It is not a sale. It's a take profit. Acro. All right. Same look as Litecoin and ZC again, where you had the triple bottom. 1, 2, and 3. That was a terrible 2. 1, 2, 3. Triple bottom, and after the triple bottom, you got to bounce, retrace, and move up. I like this to get to at least 0.05, and then if it can break that, man, there's not a whole lot of resistance there. It can get over top of 0.05 and bounce on it. Then you're looking at a potential move towards 14 cent and 19 cent, but it's going to take a little bit to get over that, okay? bounce off of this 04, get in the 05 area, hold that, then you got a chance to move toward 14. One step at a time, okay? I don't think anything quote unquote moons here. Let's be realistic. All right. What do you think of DOT? Yeah, I like DOT to go to $60 again. Eventually here. Let's do DOT real quick. Yeah. All right. Let's pull it right here. From the bottom. Yeah. Just testing all-time high right now. It could fall back as far as 47 or even 45, but I still like this thing to reverse back in the other direction. I don't think it's done yet. It's gotten above Sniper's Alley. It's broken through all-time high. I think it's got more left in the tank. Let's just watch and see, but I bet you we hit $60 here. Because even in linear mode, it shows 60 and 66. So I'll do both of those, 60 and 66 on DOT. If we're looking at our pivots, we're above R2, below R3. Not bad. Not bad. To quote Chernobyl, 600 engines, not good, not bad. We're all going to die is what he was trying to say. Yeah, see right there's what Mullet said the same thing, okay? The next pivot's at 39, but I don't think it'll go that low. Like I said, I don't either. More than likely 47 and then back up. Let's look at Bitcoin for shits and giggles. Fuck you, Jeremy. Okay, yeah, sure, well, let's do it. Because Jeremy likes it raw. Oh, yeah. Bitcoin, by the way, continues to make new higher highs. Whoops. Remember that shit talking we were doing? Looks like she's got back up over the middle line and wants to keep going. Where does Q thinks it'll go? I see a triple bottom. I see a retrace and go. I see $107,000. Let's call it $100,000 and be clean. Are you not entertained? Electronium, Matt MT says. Well, let's have a look at in Electronium. All right. Mr. TetherUp would be bearish on all of this, by the way. Bearish on everything. Everything's always bearish. Always bearish. We had this trend line, and we have another short-term one over here. Right there. Let's see these one of these lines break. Neither one of them is broken yet. We got a fallen wedge here. You're not a buy. You're trying to sneak into sell territory. It's been short for a while already. I don't like ENT right here. Yeah, Jeremy knows the words. OMG. OMG, Becky. Look at her butt. It's so big. All right. OMG's playing around with our emotions a bit here, but it's still dancing with all-time high. I like it to come all the way up here to $22 still. Hasn't made its move. I still think it's got more juice in the tank. Just needs a little bit of time to work itself out. OMG's had a really, really, really good run. It's one of the coins that are out front with RSR and some others, and I expect it to keep going. Bullish on TNT. I hear you, bro. I'm not even gonna do TNT. TRX. Baby, I like roll. All right, so pull up the big chart on TRX. It's doing pretty well. Yeah, you're doing pretty well here. Trying to break the same trend that we haven't broken yet, okay? Looks like it may have broken it and tested the top. That's good. If it can hold here, great. Let's see a pivot or so. How about that? Yeah, we're over the pivot, but we're under R2. Okay, bouncing back and forth here, ranging. Would be a great sign was if we could break 11.5 cent, and then that would lend us toward 12.5, which could get us all the way up to 15 on Tron, which would be great. It is technically a buy right now. XPR. Persistence. 2 under the 8, 2 under the 21, under the pivot. No thank you on this one. It looks sideways or down to me. Either way, a liquidity tie up, so no thank you. You're stupid, Jeremy Monroe. We can look at GHX real fast. Yeah, GHX. Gamer coin. Yeah, this one's been going pretty well lately. Last time I looked at it. Yeah, under R1 over the pivot, bouncing back and forth over the 50. It needs to hold $1.47, but I like this one. It's good. By the way, let's look at Stack. Somebody kept asking me about this. Stack. All right. There we go. Stacks. Daddy Fat Stacks. B-I-G, B-O-I. It's the same motherfucker. Put the finger in your eye. It's Outcast. All right. So 821. You're good. You're above Sniper's Alley. You know, this one has a chance to keep going as well. All the indicators have turned back the other direction. Looking nice. We're flipping in the linear. Hold 220. You can hold 220 here. You got a chance to move to 266 and up to $4, but it's technically a buy. So look at Dash. I'm running out of time here. We got a couple more. Made it almost the whole way. Doing well. A round of applause for myself, everybody. All right, so got a downtrend. Trying to break the downtrend here. Consolidating back and forth, but there's another one right here, okay? We need to break that line. It hasn't broken yet. It's really close. I don't have any Dash. I believe I have. I sold it. I'm pretty sure I did. It's technically a buy today, okay? Let's just be careful here, right? I don't want you to get stuck. All right. EOS. All right, EOS is playing games here. It recently broke trend. You could argue that this trend is a little higher, though, not lower, and that it's going to do more of this sideways bullshit. It's just fully possible. But so long as we're over 48 or 4.8, that lends us to be able to get back up there toward our 578 goal. And if we can get up here in the Sniper's Alley, we can play around up there. But we got to get up there first. Hasn't done that yet, and in fact, I expected to test this trend line a little bit. It is a buy, though. VTHO will be the last one of the night. All right. VTHO's a buy. I don't like all these wicks on the top. Again, a little disconcerting, but a lot of them have that. Trend is broken. If we can continue to work and get up over 01 clean, then, I'm sorry, that's 01. We can get up there. We can get up to 013. All-time high is way up there, so we could have a pretty good all-time high rerun. Triple bottom, retrace and pop. Yeah, 018 is fully in the cards here, and then after that, 04, 06 is possible. So that's our rundown of charts tonight. I don't know how many we did there. I want to say like 40 or 45 or something like that. China Matt's really good with numbers. He could tell you. Thank you all for coming, dude. Look, I appreciate the shit of y'all being here. You don't have to come, but you do anyway. I appreciate when y'all come up here and do things, all right? How often is Keith doing Crypto After Dark Lives? Every Tuesday and Thursday, Tundra. Every Tuesday and Thursday nights. Thank y'all for being here. We'll be back on Thursday to do this shit again. I already did Seek, Alvin. You got to roll back a little bit to see it. I'll see you guys on Thursday. We'll do another stream. We'll go through some more shit. We got a couple more days of price action. Let's see that price action. Till then, y'all be good. Appreciate all y'all. Y'all the boss shit. We'll see y'all. Y'all be good. Peace.